fully seated. No one's on your left or left, please. Wipe decks off if you have any.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Boo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with his tongue. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
This way.
Spread out and lock it down.
I'm here working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up! Hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scaffold.
You done that, cool?
Race you to the scaffold. She'll never find her door now.
Look, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Good night. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to neither matter. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to it 2319.
People, that's right. Nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go.
After careful
We
and
have everything under control now, so keep it moving. We didn't see anything unusual here.
Here comes King.